Hello, Sawadee Cup. Now today I have a special guest for this video. This is Elvis Presley. He is the king of rock and roll. Now, he wants to tell me something. Okay. He says he's hungry.
What he said?
He said he's hungry.
Hungry?
And he wants his favorite sandwich.
And what are you going to cook for him today?
Okay, Elvis, I'm going to make your favorite sandwich. The Fool's Gold. Here we go. Fool's Gold. So, for the Elvis's favorite sandwich, it's a very simple sandwich, but it's a very delicious sandwich, and it's a very high calorie sandwich. So, for this we have a small loaf of Italian bread. I wished I could have gotten one that was like 4 times this size, but couldn't find it, so this will have to do. So typically it would be a whole big loaf in which we would fill it with an entire jar of peanut butter, an entire jar of jelly.
What kind of flavor?
Oh, this one is blueberry. I think that was Elvis's choice. Maybe not, but if it wasn't, don't get mad at me. Bananas, and believe it or not, bacon. Like I said, this should have been a huge loaf. Couldn't find it, so probably half this pack of bacon, and then the butter we're going to put over the top and the bottom and put it in the oven. So, to start this sandwich, cut the loaf in half. There we go. And then we're going to scoop out a lot of this here bread to create a kind of a shell which is going to house the ingredients. Seems a shame to waste it, but this is just doughy stuff. You know, look at this. You can make Play-Doh from this. Garbage. And again, on this side, just remove this excess bread without damaging the exterior. And that's pretty good. So, step 1, fill 1/2 with peanut butter. So, this is just simple Jif creamy peanut butter. And I can probably just use the spatula for this. I'm just going to ladle this on. Like I said, for the big loaf, you want to use the entire jar. So I'm looking to use about half the jar on this one. See that? Wow. So a lot of peanut goodness right there. Okay. So that's that one done. Now, it's tempting to lick this, but that would be nasty, so I'll just use my finger. Give it a quick wash. And then we're going to do the exact same on the other side with the blueberry jelly. Oh, wow, there we go. I'm going to spoon this into the other side. Yeah, smells good. Now we can do a bit more. Like I said, small sandwich doesn't require the whole jar. But we're doing our best here with what we've got. Okay, that's good. So, we have our 2 halves ready. I'm just going to slice these bananas. 1. You know what? I think 2 might do for this size. try and make some flat slices out of these. So these will go over the jelly like so. Maybe one banana for this small sandwich. Yeah, one banana should do that. Okay, now bacon. So for this smaller sandwich, half the pack, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we'll give it 7 rashers of this. So all I'm going to do is cook this bacon. Now our bacon cooked real crispy, just the way Elvis likes it. So we're going to put this bacon over the peanut butter. This we can cut in half, put like there, a bit more here. Okay, now we're going to reassemble our sandwich, and I can see that I got this the wrong way around, so we're going to put this over and turn it up the right way. Oh, see that? Bit of jelly there. Anyway, time to smear the topping of butter before we stick it in the oven to crisp up. So this butter's been softening. Should be a joy to spread. Yep. So this sandwich is not for you guys that are on a diet. This is probably the most calories in any one dish you will ever consume. It's just a crazy amount of fat and goodness, but you know what? That means great taste. So that's pretty good there. I'm going to move this to the baking sheet, turn it upside down, and then continue with the butter. So it's a well-known fact that Elvis died from heart conditions, and it's probably no secret why. He was said to eat 2 of these a night. That might just be one of those myths. Who knows? So there we go. Pretty good. Let's flip it over again. This thing is hot to handle, as in it's very greasy. Okay. Just make sure we got everything over. So this now goes into the oven for 5 or 10 minutes. I'll tell you how long it took, and when we come back we're going to cut the fool's gold sandwich. That was 10 minutes in the oven to get the butter on the top of the bread nice and crispy. So now we're going to cut this, we're going to try this. So, first time trying the fool's gold sandwich. Who's first, you or me?
You try.
Me? Oh, okay, so this is the bizarre combination of peanut butter, jelly, bananas, bacon, and a butter crust on the outside. So, first time trying.
Sour crispy. Amazing.
Wow.
How is it?
It's amazing.
Tastes good?
Go ahead, try.
Look everything.
Who knew that you could mix bananas with bacon and jelly and peanut butter? It's good, no?
That's good.
One more.
Some
Because
peanut butter.
yeah,
Mixed with the jelly.
the saltiness of the bacon just adds to the whole experience. Wow, it's hard to cut, but so, believe it or not, Elvis was trying some of this, and he's a little messy here, so thank you very much. He likes it, I like it, Petchy likes it, and I think you will like it. So go ahead, give it a try. This is the Fool's Gold. This was Elvis's favorite sandwich. If you liked watching this, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.